Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video. Today I'm trying to get my recycle working. I thought I'd share some of the trials and tribulations I've been going through. I've tried various Aspi layers and you know, having real issues with it. Been doing a lot of research and come to sort of a little bit of a really snail progress in getting this recycle up and running as anticipated. Recycle Windows 7 and the S3200 seem to be a bit of a nightmare getting to install. So guys, looking for suggestions and showing you the process of how things are going. So guys, here we are on my streaming PC. I'm trying to connect my recycle up to my Akai. Now when I go to sampler settings, it says here SCSI ID 6, whatever that is. So it's kind of looking, this one looks a bit strange, but I've tried different Aspi layers and it's been running a little bit weird. Right, let me just go to here. Apparently you've got to run this as an administrator. So I'm going to go right click and I'm going to go run as an administrator. Go to there. It says the Aspi layer software of Nexitech Inc. The user license to use for evaluation purposes only. So click that and then it says I've got 32 sort of scuzzy whatevers until this packs up. So it reckons it's found the sampler. So if I go sampler settings, look, you can see the Akai is there. It's all there, right? So that's looking good. But then when I go to process, sampler receive, I get this message and then it says this. And then I try again, same thing happens. So it sees the sampler and now look, it's gone back weird again. It hasn't actually said Akai thingy. Now there's a thread from a guy called Huey and he shows on YouTube how to connect it, because when I go to say translator actually sees the Akai hard drives, because I've got the compact flash, as you can see here, look, and it recognizes the compact flash in my Akai as an Akai partition. You click on it, it all seems to be working sweet. Okay, but anyway, the main issue here is it's communicating with the sampler, no problems at all. If I double click that, let's see how well it converts now. So I can go from here and then go to create a virtual drive. I've done this one already. So these are fat samples, right? So for example, going through my disk. Okay, translator's crashed there now. Okay, so that might be a sign that something weird is actually going on here. Sorry about the background noise, guys. I'm right next to the kitchen and you know, there's noise going on. That's how we keep it real here. This is not some high-tech studio like the old days where I used to be in. This is just my own home thing going on. So you know, you got to excuse it. So anyway, let me get back to the ASPI emulation. Right, so let me find my guy there now, Huey, who was giving me all the tips. This guy, first Cav Huey, is a don at all this Akai connection stuff. Only a few videos, man, but they are definitely good content. So I might actually get him to try and do a remote session on my computer and see if I can blag him to do that, because that would be so awesome. But look, I'm just trying to find these Aspi drivers and I'm not having a lot of joy. You know, look, another one. I can try running this as administrator. Look, if I run that as admin, I go like that. Let me see, change when these notes. Okay, fine, don't worry about that. Right, so I run it. Recycle 2.0, by the way, for those who want to know. Click that. Bosh, bosh, bosh. Again, and this is the furthest I've got where you can actually see a sample. You can actually see a sample, but when you go to receive, it's gone. Yeah, let me get rid of that again. Right, so I'm going to try and load a WAV up now. Let me just go to here and let me go to any WAV that I've downloaded. We don't want, so just go all files. Okay, see what I can find here. Any sample, please, will do fine. We got nothing here. Okay, let me go back to my storage. What's this? There's a WAV. Right, so let's just do a little open up. So can't hear any effects at the moment because I'm not using the Yeti headphones, right? So let's just say we go there. So now we want to put that to the sampler. So we're supposed to transmit as one sample. Yeah, sampler, transmit to sample. Put that to 1 bar. Okay. SCSI communication field. SCSI communication failed. So this is the error I'm getting, people. If anybody out there has any suggestions, please comment down below, because we are a community and it's all about getting the old school retro up and running. And at the moment, as I anticipated, Aspi layers are giving me trouble. I'm using Windows XP, Windows 7, which is at the moment got my Steam running. This computer is configured to do everything I want. I've got my OmniFlop working on this PC. I've got my Steam working, and to be honest, I like the power of this motherboard. I don't want to have to go into Windows XP, but I may have to do that as a dual boot. That is a suggestion. But anyway, guys, comment down below. Let me know. Take care. God bless. Peace.